Hello, my beautiful, 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 intelligent black brothers and sisters. I hope that this beautiful Friday in early May of the year 2020 become a very successful day, a very, very successful day for you and all of your wonderful, wonderful, wonderful black loved ones. My beautiful black brothers and sisters, know this. I do not hate white folks. And I will say that again. I do not hate white folks. I do not hate anyone. Rather, I am on a mission to do my part in trying to liberate the minds of black folks. I am on a mission to do my part in trying to liberate the minds of black folks. Therefore, I have to tell the truth about white folks. Period. Unequivocally. I will do that now. I have done that in the past, and I will continue to do that as long as I am alive and breathing on this side of the river. My beautiful, intelligent black brothers and sisters. Do you know that something that is absolutely critical to the white supremacy system of religion or religious thought was the formation of the image of a white man as the Son of God? This white male image then was referred to as Christ. No matter that the prophet Jesus was a black man, because the brain, BRAIN, computer functions most fundamentally on logic circuits at deep unconscious levels. It automatically computes that God, the Father, is also a white male. If God is other than white, he would have produced a black or a non-white son. Thus, in any person any person programmed to accept the Christian religion, whether conscious or is not conscious, has the image and concept of God as a white man in the logic network of his/her brain computer. White supremacy affects all non-white folks in every facet of their lives. It's a global system of white supremacy, my beautiful, intelligent black brothers and sisters. Look at economics and education. All non-white folks, especially black folks, people that look like me, have been marginalized economically, deprived of success from the inception. In the education arena, white supremacy has miseducated all non-white folks. And most white folks are being miseducated also. In the entertainment industry, they had the audacity a few years back to name a white boy as the best soul singer on the planet. What kind of bullshit is that? No matter where you go and what you do, you cannot get away from this global system of white supremacy. In wars, it is the non-white folks that are on the front line fighting. It is the non-white folks that are given the weapons and imagery, in infantry, artillery, and armor. It is non-white folks that are dying disproportionately in wars. In religion, they have stuck that white image of a white son called Christ in the brain computer circuitry of all of us on this planet. And in politics, you have seen right here on this plantation called America how white supremacy have played out in the era of Trump. Any other person, non-white person, that would say and do the things, do the crimes, tell the lies that Trump does every day would have been impeached and removed a long time ago. The injustice system have consistently and still today incarcerated, indicted, sentenced black folks disproportionately. In the labor market, it is the white folks that are given the high-paid, skilled jobs. No matter what facet of life you talk about or you operate in, especially on this planet, on this plantation called America, you are going to have to deal with this white supremacy system that racist white folks have installed. And again, this system have been installed in the logic circuitry of the brain. And that logic circuit will say, if these two things are true, then the other must be true. That is and logic. There's or logic. There's nor logic. There's nan logic. There's XOR logic. There's X nor logic. There is inverter logic. All of that, our brain operates like digital circuitry does. If some conditions are met, then the conclusion is accepted as true. White supremacy is a global system of functioning oppression, and it affects everyone in all areas of people activities, and especially right here on this plantation called America. That's what I have on this one. Please go to thethreshaway.libsyn.com and gain access to all that I do. Talk to you again very soon.